Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install the Mario Kart Deluxe mod onto your original Mario Kart ROM. So you must have the ROM version, so you can either run this off some kind of emulator or an R4 card. You can pretty much play this on any DS emulator. You just must have the original Mario Kart DS ROM. So I will be using my R4. I've actually got the ROM over on my computer, so I can basically put it on the SD card once I've modified it. So go and get your R4's SD card, or just get whatever you want to put your DS ROM. Go and connect this to your computer, and I will show you guys what to do from there.
Now the link will be in the description of this video, so all you guys have to do is go there and find it. And once we're over on the Mario Kart Deluxe page, all we have to do is scroll down, and we're just looking for the download link. So the link is right here to get the beta. So all you have to do is just click on this, and it's actually just going to download a zip file for us. So once we've got this zip file, what we can do from here is go to our downloads folder, and we will be able to find it in there. You also need an original Mario Kart DS ROM. This is actually backed up off of my DS game. As you can see, it's the official one. It's 32 megabytes. If you don't know how to back up DS games, I have a video on that on my channel, but it's entirely up to you where you decide to get your game from. So what we have to do, get the zip file, right click, select extract to Mario Kart DS Deluxe, and it's just going to put it into a file folder. So double click on this. We need to run this, the deltapatcher.exe. So just double click on this, and it's going to open up its own like GUI. And what we can actually do with this is use it to patch our game. So we're going to click on original file, click on the folder icon right here. And then it's just going to open up like this. This is where we select our original game. So Mario Kart.nds, just click on open. And as you can see, our original game is now selected. Now we need to select the xdelta patch file. So that came in the downloads folder. So we're just going to click on this again to select our new patch file. And this time we just go into the folder. We find it, it's called Mario Kart DS DX. And then 0.1.xdelta at the end. So we're just going to click on open on this, and now we've got the original game and our patch file. We can click on apply patch. So then it's just going to say applying the patch, please wait, don't panic, just wait for it. I don't know how long this takes, it shouldn't really take too long. And there you go guys, it comes up with a notice saying patch successfully applied. So we can just click on OK on this. Now if the Delta patcher is slow, you just have to wait for it. Sometimes it can be really laggy and it can stop responding. Just wait for it and it should be fine. It even says here, patch successfully applied. So we can just click on the X on this and it will close. And here you go, our Mario Kart DS is now the new file. It's actually a different size from what it was before. So we can rename this to Mario Kart DS Deluxe. Just like that, press enter, and now what we can do is make sure our R4's SD card is plugged in. Now this is a ROM, we can pretty much run this off anything you want to, any DS emulator, any R4 card. I'm going to run this off my R4, so I'm just going to right click, copy, and then right click, paste it onto my R4 card, or you can just drag it across. And then once this copies across, we will actually be able to play the game. So that is pretty much it for the PC. Let's put our SD card back into our R4, and let's test out the game.
Okay, so now I'm back. Obviously we're just going to put our SD card back into our R4, and then we're just going to go and put this into my DS. I'm actually using my 3DS for this video, but you can pretty much play this on anything, even your phone, you know, just using a DS emulator. Okay guys, so over on our DS, let's go and launch up my R4. You can also use emulators for this. I actually have the TW loader, and I think that is a newer one as well. I've probably made a video on it somewhere on my channel. I can't even remember what it was called, but I've definitely made a video on it somewhere. So let's go and just load up my ROM. Mine actually comes up with SpongeBob, but this is just my R4 card. And then once it loads, I can go and find my game. So I can just press select, I can change on my one. This is what Mario Kart Deluxe looks like. It has this kind of like icon. So I'm just going to press X to load this up. And then here we go guys, Mario Kart Deluxe. It has working sound and everything like that. Let me just prove this works. If I just go on single player, I'm just going to do yes on this. So I'm just going to select a random game, and let me just show you some of the characters. So as you can see, we've actually got Crash Bandicoot as Wario. We've got like this dead Bowser as Bowser. As Toad, we've got this like guy, I don't even know what that is. Obviously Princess Peach, Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, they're all the same. Let's play as Crash Bandicoot because that looks pretty cool. You can actually obviously change the cars as well to whatever you want. Let's choose this one. And we've also got some really cool maps on here, like Wii and Nintendo 64 maps. So if you're a fan of Mario Kart, I'd definitely recommend checking this out. I'm not really a massive fan of it, but I've played it a few times. So yeah, let's just check out this map real quick. And then here we are on a game. So I don't know why, but I actually had to choose a different character. Every time I chose Crash Bandicoot, the game would actually freeze. I don't know if that's a problem on mine or a problem with the whole game, who knows, but I'm playing as this undead Bowser thing right now, and this seems to be working fine. So yeah, this is Mario Kart Deluxe, definitely a pretty cool game. This map right here, it has maps from Wii, GameCube, Nintendo 64, has pretty much maps from all types of Mario Kart games. So yeah, it's actually really cool. Also guys, keep in mind this is beta. As you can see at the bottom of the screen right now, it's not actually working. That's because I guess they just haven't actually like put a mini map in at the bottom of the screen yet. But as you can see, it's really cool. The tracks look really cool for a Mario Kart DS game. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Something.